Acura MDX has been very successful. In fact, it's the best-selling three-row luxury crossover of all time. I'm Daniel, your Acura product specialist, and I'm going to show you this 2016 MDX featuring the technology package. Up front, we've got our signature JewelEye LED headlights. They last a long time, super bright, and they look good as well. You have a fuel-efficient 6-cylinder engine, which has made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers crisp and smooth gear shifting. I love the silhouette of this car. It's super sporty, and I really like the enhancements thanks to its roof rail and crossbar accessories that were installed. Some other accessories include the door edge guards. Now, some convenient features. It also has smart entry, 19-inch wheels that look great with tire pressure monitoring system to help you maintain a healthy life for your tires. The rear end of this MDX, you can see it's a very clean, understated look. It features a 3-view reverse camera. It has a power tailgate which cleverly tucks in a ton of storage, and this car is featured with our super handling all-wheel drive. It's 3 rows, and what I like about this vehicle, it's a unique color combination. Forest mist with eucalyptus interior. You have a lot of room, including underfloor storage, and if you haven't already noticed, it even has a cargo tray. Coming inside of the cabin, you'll see that its flat floor makes it easy for adults to sit inside, and its one-touch operation allows for occupants to get in and out of the third row so easily. You have 3-zone climate control, 1 for the rear passengers and 2 up front. I also like that the multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel allows you to use voice command to do things like make a phone call, set a destination, change the audio system, or turn on and off your climate system. Other features it includes are lane keeping assist, and you even have paddle shifters right behind it. The windshield wipers are automatic, and these 2 screens cleverly organize all of the information in the car: navigation, telephone, audio, and climate. Speaking of audio, the ELS Studio Premium sound system is incredible. You can enjoy AM, FM, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Plus, you even have iPod, MP3, auxiliary, Pandora, and AHA support as well. Both front seats are electronically controlled, heated, and feature a driver memory as well. Some elements I've got to mention from our Max Digital showroom website are things like its automatic dimming rearview mirror or the automatic tilting side mirrors. You even have HomeLink garage door opener, AccuLink telematics, and you even have my favorite feature of any car, the sunroof. Push button ignition starts to drive, tons of storage, lets you organize all of your things. And it being certified means you've got peace of mind knowing you've bought yourself an excellent car. It's a single owner clean CarFax history report, and some details of its certification include 24-hour roadside assistance, a balance of the original 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, an additional 1-year, 12,000-mile non-powertrain warranty, and a 182-point vigorous inspection was performed to make sure this MDX looks and performs the way it should. The stock number for this car is 19582, and at $33,888, it's an outstanding value considering it's $1,800 below the typical listing price according to Kelley Blue Book. Make sure you check it out. It's great, and again, it's got a unique color, so you'll definitely find it in the parking lot, and you will appreciate all of the technology in here. I actually missed out a lot of them. Lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation system, a forward collision warning, and blind spot information system, plus a rear cross traffic monitor. I mean, if everything I said wasn't enough, this makes it even better. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can follow our Instagram and Facebook so you can keep up to date with the latest products and social media feeds. And if you log on to MarinAcura.com, you'll have access to the CarFax, Max Digital showroom, and the additional details on this and other vehicles we've got.